Alright, I've already loosened some of these. 3 bolts here, 2 bolts there. That'll make it so you can drop this. It should hang right there. I believe these are E10, but I've used an 8mm on them. And these two are 15mm. They just had to get a tool. All right, and there is one here. There. So yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Focus. 6 across the front. 2 15mm, and then the back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across the back. I'm gonna get those pulled out right quick. Alright, I have those 6 out. I have those 6 out. 15mm there, 15mm there, and now there's 2 up in there. Need a skinny socket on these. I had to get a skinnier socket to fit in there. And then they just come right out. I missed one right there. There's one right up in there. Can't really get in there to see it. So now I have all the bolts out. A little spot right here you can carefully pry. Come on the back side. You got a couple spots you can maybe get something into. That's it. Now we just gotta get it to pull that dipstick tube out. There it goes. Watch out for that thing right there. There she's off. Alright, as you can see, I'll have to get that old gasket material off with the razor blade. Get all that cleaned up. Got everything cleaned off real good. I got the new pan. Got Permatex on it all the way around. We're ready to put her on. Got the exhaust put back on. Got all the bolts tightened back down. Put that back in there. Got those in there. Now we're gonna drop it down and put some oil in it.